One and hello guys, Prince Chuck, and today we're gonna play some content warning with our special guest Carmela. And today we're gonna bring a boom and it's gonna smell like a doom into the old world.
You record,
Yes.
Vince. You record because you're the one recording.
And today I'm gonna get stuck. Okay, let's go.
No, me, no, me. Never mind, I can't. I don't know how to do it. Let's go. We need a microphone for the boom.
Did you guys miss Carmela?
Don't say
Because
yes,
we only
okay?
did the one video thing.
Yeah.
It was a Rocket League video. Oh.
Oh, I hate this.
Neither do I.
Record this. Record this. Record this. Record this.
Sword. Spine. This game. And also, did I already told this to you guys? Like in the
Oh,
last.
French, record this. Record this. Record this. Record this. Record this. Record
He's
this.
gonna fall. Oh, never mind.
No, it's not. No, come here. Come here.
We're recording in
Record this.
SpookTube
Record this. Record
and
this. Record this.
YouTube.
Record this. Record me.
Skull.
Record me. Record me. Record me. Record me.
Uh-oh.
Record me.
2 times 6, man.
Wait, come here.
Bye
Record me,
bye.
record me. Did he fall off? No, he's here, he's here, he's here. What is he on?
Yeah, what is he on? Okay. Where did he go?
Yo.
No. I am gonna die. Carmelo, I am gonna die.
I'm here.
I am gonna die.
I know. You're like
Alright.
1 health, probably.
Yes, I am in 1 health. I'm 1 shot. Help me right now. Because if I die,
The back.
recording lose.
How much percentage
66.
is the thing? Okay. No, the recording isn't lost. I don't know. I have a thing. I know how to be camera. Hey, record this.
Hey, puffy guy. Oh. Whoa! I bounced.
You bounced and I bounced. We all bounced.
Did you remember that one monster just fell when we were playing on the Yawning?
Oh yeah, the Barry. We let him off the map, bro.
Oh, here he comes.
Hold on, What? Record me.
You're gonna die. KSI! That hurts. Wait, are you dead? Hold on. Eat. Carmelo? Did you fall again?
Start screaming. I don't know where you are.
Ah! I'm up here. Where did he go? Where did he go?
I'm dead.
You're dead.
Record that guy.
Oh, okay.
I'm backing up. I'll watch your back. Okay. You don't need to turn back. Right, go to the right.
Okay.
So you're
No. He's coming close.
Go run. Just record yourself saying random stuff.
Random stuff.
Jump down. Record it. Make sure to record it. Make sure to record it. Make sure to record it.
Hey, where's the spider?
It's going around the other way. How much percent is left?
31. Spidey.
Okay, record it. Record it. No, no, no. Record it from there.
Oh,
Now
okay,
run. Now run.
he's coming to me.
No.
He's coming to me. He's coming to me.
Turn back. Turn back and record it. Record it. Record it. Record it.
Hi, little
Zoom in, zoom in.
Spidey. Wah, 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 wah.
Okay, go back in. Save the percentage. Save the percentage. We'll do that in outro. Is that all the percent? Is there 0% left?
But I am
How much?
alive.
How much percentage is left?
60. It's fine. 16.
Hey, give it to me. Throw it up here. Throw it up here.
What the hell? When spinning.
Suck at throwing.
Huh? Hey, let me go with you.
Wait, no. I have an idea.
Huh?
I have an idea, friend. I have an idea. Wait. Record me. Record me.
Pass.
Record me. I'm gonna while going down, I'm gonna scream. We bring the loot. Make sure I land there on you.
Go.
Hi, I'm okay.
Wait.
You don't need to do the movie theater.
Yeah, cinemas for only. Hey, can you sword up your spine? Voice is too
Record it,
low.
record it.
He's gonna fall. It's too low. Your voice is
Record
too
me, record me.
skull.
Record me, record me, record me,
Oh,
record me.
Huh? What again? Times 6, man.
Up my volume in content warning.
I did it to
Record
max.
me, fall
It's
off.
too
No,
low.
he's here, he's here, he's here. What is he on?
Yeah, what is he on?
Yo, 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 yo.
Okay,
Okay, is it good now?
There. Hey, off you guys. Up is very Indeed. Oh, whoa! You're gonna die. KSI! That hurt. Oh.
KSI. Oh, we already have 1,000 people. For instruction, read audiobooks.
Oh. He's coming to me. He's coming to me. He's coming to me. Hi, little Spidey. Wah, 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 wah. Go.
What the hell? Sleep.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Wow. Wait to buy a microphone. Here, take the camera, friends. Take the camera. Hugger. Reporter mic. Tapos we save our money.
What the hell? That's so loud. Hey, record.
No. Wait, no. Later. Let's do it in front of a monster. Wait, if we find a puffy monster, I'll go beside it and then I'll say, guess what this guy brings? And then you say what? And then when it explodes.
A boom.
Okay, we're here. Wait. Come here. Come here. This way.
This is where the monster comes. Oh, remember the Giga Chad?
It's not enough. You started. It's not enough. Oh yeah, the Giga Chad was so hard to survive. Okay, get the climb.
Oh my god, that was so low.
That.
Carmelo, that was you.
Me?
Huh?
Okay, start recording me.
3,
Record me.
1.
Just go. We are here on CNN News. In a cave. Stop it. Let's go this way. To the boxes.
The boxes.
Okay, wait. Record me. 24 oras. Live kami dito sa mga kahon na hindi ko alam bakit na dito pero nandito. Ano yan? Okay, start recording. Record me again. Record me. Okay, stop recording. There's nothing interesting here. When I say start recording, you have to instantly pull out your camera. There's nothing good here. I can hear so many creaking noises, but I ain't even nothing.
Flashlight.
Oh. That's
Is that a long flashlight? Oh no.
it's a
It's a
modern
very
flashlight. Yo!
What the hell happened?
Prince, where are you? Prince?
I died.
Where did you go?
I just disappeared.
What the hell? Yo!
Yo, the cameraman.
Where's the camera?
It's down. It's up. It's the there.
I can't see it. You
What?
died right here.
I think I glitched. Ow. I died.
I see the camera.
That's a radio box.
Oh,
I just
I'm
died
bringing
for
it back.
no reason.
I'm going back.
I just died for no reason. Like I just randomly died.
I don't know how that. I don't know what
I
happened.
know. I just walked.
Did you fly into the air or something? Like, what happened?
I randomly, magically disappeared. Okay, I got you back. Since there's no camera left, it's right there.
Which one?
Never mind,
Oh, Mr. Meeseeks.
Mr. Meeseeks.
Let's call him. Alright, I'm gonna go back.
Where did the camera go? I think the camera
Wait,
just
I
instantly
came from
went
this
with me and I just died.
I think the camera went to heaven with you.
It did because I died with it.
Yeah, obviously.
I thought the monster just catch me and I just died instantly. Yo, I thought the monster just, I thought the ceiling monster just catch me and I just died instantly.
Really? The ceiling monster was there?
No, it's not there.
Then why'd you say the ceiling monster?
I thought.
Me out. Oh, it's the flashlight. Oh, the radio's here. Yo, that's.
That's so loud. Trying to find the camera.
I'm trying to find the way back. So we
Or
need
trying to
save
find
this.
an extra flashlight that you can use with it.
Yeah. Skull. You know what? I'm gonna just find my way back through here.
I'm on my way downtown, walking this Okay, stop, it's too loud. Throw that away, it's useless. It's following me. Okay, it's not following you.
I think he just turned off the radio.
I think. Because it was too annoying. He said it was too annoying. Oh,
Found it.
making my way downtown.
I don't even know where your dead body.
Oh, there's a cage. There's a cage.
Where?
Oh no. Bro. Stop. It's gonna get you. Okay, stop doing it. It's gonna be annoying.
But he was a fucking. There's no way.
They need to fix
We have
this
to go.
bug.
Yeah, we have to go to sleep. We have to go to sleep.
No, they
We
have
have
to
to-
fix this bug because it was
Go
too
to
buggy.
sleep, bro.
It was too buggy.
Obviously, bugs are buggy. Because the bug is bugging the bug. The booger. Okay, maybe I'll hold the camera this time. Take the hopper.
I don't have a flashlight. It's fine. It's charging. There.
Oh, yeah. Way better camera. Put the brake. Hurry up, we have to look for monsters.
Okay, you're too loud. Okay.
The louder I am, the more I'll attack monsters. Because the monsters will hear it and then go to it.
Yeah. RIP to headphone users.
Uh-huh. Whoa, rib. Yo, come here. Rib. Cage.
Oh, you can do like a rib and a cage.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do. Clearly, you weren't on the same page as me. Pedro.
What?
That's pan pala.
Padro?
Pedro.
Oh, there's another flashlight.
Oh, there's another flashlight. Jinx.
It's a long flashlight.
I'll take it.
It's pro. I heard somebody.
Yeah, I
Whoa.
can hear somebody.
Did you hear that? Oh.
Yeah, I heard that. Whoa.
What are
Let's
you
go this
doing?
way, let's go this way.
Worm guy.
Bale.
Worm guy
What?
right here.
Where? Oh shoot!
Run, run. Where'd you go? Okay, Carmelo, we lost each other. Where are you? Oh my god. Whoa. Whoa, what's happening? You. Whoa. What's happening? Where'd you go? Carmelo, scream, I can't hear you. I can't see you. Where was that? Where are you? I hear you. I hear you, wait. You're right here, wait. Oh my god, what the hell is happening? Oh. Wait.
Where did you go? Come here. The way home's this way.
What happened?
Sweet chin music and we don't cast the apps.
Did you see a lot of snails?
Sir, I would like to interview you.
Oh my god.
Snail making. Never mind, I.
Oh no, I hit the tail. Tututi, hurry. Oh no.
We're gonna get hella views, bro. We are actually gonna get hella views. Yo.
Okay, that's too much. Okay, then we should go. I have no more flashlight left. The teleporter is here.
Teleporter. I know where it is.
Like that guy that one shots you.
Oh. That's called the switch or the swatch or whatever it's called. I forgot. It's like the thing you can get rid of it by using light. Oh my god. Yo, this guy brings the boom.
Where? Oh my god. You missed.
Wait, bring in the boom. Wait, trying to bring the boom. Yo, Brody, you bringing too much boom. You're gonna die. Wait, so you dead? You die, Prince?
No.
Where are you?
Where'd you go?
I fell all the way down. Wait, the guys bring the boom. Wait, record him.
I know. Record
Wait, did
it.
you record him? Yo, watch me.
I don't have the camera.
I know. Just look at me for the video. It's for the video. Move! Let's go. Come on. Hurry up. We have like a little
Do you
bit
have
of
a
oxygen
camera?
left. Yeah, I have no camera.
I think those monsters were humans.
Hurry up. Dalian mo. We bring the boom! What's good, boom?
Hey.
Yo, he let himself back! He bringing the
Where did he go? Bro gets a 5 big boom.
Woo! 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 Woo!
Barrier, bro. I
What?
think I broke the sound barrier with how loud that was.
Yes. RIP to
Yeah, let's do this.
microphone. I mean, no. RIP to headset users again.
Yo, I'm clipping that. Okay, put it in the TV. Put it in the TV.
Hey, TV, can you break?
Just put it in already. I want rip. We should have recorded that, bruh. Oh shoot! Oh, that's that one guy. No, I'm screwed. Lord, please save me. Dude, this guy's spawning snails everywhere. Yo, chill.
Juicy snake.
Shit, tripping. Juicy snake. Hey, hey, I do not consent. Get off. Yo, that's sick. Yo, please don't eat me. Yo. Please, that boy is spawning. I don't know. Yo.
1,000?
Oh my god.
Okay, 1,100. Oh, we might not make it. We might not make it. Oh no, we need to make it. No, we're gonna make it. Trust. What is this guy doing? Want a hug, buddy?
Right here.
No, we didn't make it.
Okay na. No, PG!
We didn't make it, bro. Alright,
Fine, we
before
can
we end the video, come on, come here. Come here, before we end the video. Before we end the video.
Yes.
Yo, stay down there. As soon as I hit you, end the recording. Okay. All the way. I'm going all the way up. All the way up.
Go.
Okay. Prince, say what do we bring? Say what do we bring?
What do we bring? Oh no. Oh no.
Oh crap. Shit.
We died.
Dead.
Okay,
How are you
that's it
not
for the
dead,
day,
bro?
guys. And today, and before we end, what do we bring? Yes. RIP
It's
to
recording it.
headset users. Bye.